Hi, I am Doctor Faisal. In this video, I am going to tell you how to heal cavities and tooth decay naturally. It is very easy tip, easy to use and very much effective. Use this natural remedy to heal cavities, tooth decay and make your teeth whiter. Simply take these 4 ingredients shown on your screen. 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, 2 drops of clove oil, 1/4 teaspoon of coconut oil and a pinch of salt. Mix the ingredients in a bowl. Place the mixture on the toothbrush and brush your teeth gently. Make sure you are brushing the cavities area. Wait for 5 minutes and then wash one more time. Rinse your mouth with lukewarm water and make sure repeat this only once in a week, not daily. Stay happy, stay healthy.